Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you're all getting useful with my English literature lectures for UGC NET through my channel Winning Net English. This channel is on improving our soft skills. To deal with our fellow beings, soft skills is necessary today. As an introduction, I would like to say soft skills are setting our character towards our own behavior with others. It has been recently popular over some years ago only. You know why? Do you think is it necessary? If so, what we are doing in earlier days? Think of 2 generations back, like Sir C.V. Raman days, Homi Baba days. Why so? Even Dr. Abdul Kalam days. Were there soft skills? Were there training classes? Were there training on behavior more? Just think. No. No teacher teaches interpersonal skills. No trainer teaches time management, attitude, adaptability and all. Then what were they doing? Where the soft skills in those days have gone? Was it there? There were no YouTube channels, there were no workplace techniques. How did they come up? Even, those days achievers achieved a lot than us. We are achieving in the other side. But in those days, how did they come up? Actually, there was no necessity because there was a subject in every school that is in primary classes called moral science, which teaches morals through stories. Grandpa and grandma tell stories in house for the children, and mother and father tell all the all the happenings with pros and cons to their kids. But slowly, actually in those days there was no necessity, as I said, but slowly in the 21st century that emerges soft skills training, motivation, counseling classes and so on. Why this drastic change? Anyone guessed? Why? Why this change? See, in the days of the leaders, that is, as I have said mentioned, Sir C.V. Raman, Kalam and Homi Baba, their education contains moral science as subject, as I said before. Ethics and morals were taught with the academic education along with. They were followed their graduation, followed the morals, responsibilities and culture as well. But in the bloom of early 21st century, moral science subject vanishes, education becomes namesake, mugging up and vomiting in the exam were the habits of the students. Now, in techie world, humans were trained to be mechanical machines. Their human traits, soft skills were hidden. Techies and engineers prone to modern culture, impact of being foreign or western nature tramped their soft skills. To remember this, soft skills training is being focused. Attitudinal change is in humans, frustrated human itself, adaptability gone, selfishness sat, time management gone, non-punctuality sticked on, diseases spread, empathy, sympathy, all were drenched in longing for love, capturing wealth, running life, torturing workers. No love among humans were the status. To refine and reintroduce, we need to sharpen our traits. Everyone has soft skills, but we focus on self-comfort and harming others become very natural. And it has been justified even. That's what. It has been justified. She is not coming in my way, so I hurt her. He is not obeying my word, so I divorce her. In very good ethical people also, even in a good high position, they say they are not up to the mark, so simply I cut off. What? Thus harming is our culture. Thus harming others is our culture. So, as a sort of this reholding soft skills, which is called building up of our characters, is essential these days. Okay, folks, let us meet in the next video. Please don't forget to share this channel. Thank you. Bye.